Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off your Toyota Corolla maintenance light. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to reset the indicator after your oil change or other routine service. It's a common reminder, not a sign of a major issue, so don't worry. We'll cover the standard method using the trip reset button and also discuss how to handle models with a color display. Let's get that light off your dashboard. For most Toyota Corolla models, the process begins by getting into your car. First, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. It's important that you do not start the engine, just turn the electrical system on. Next, find the trip reset button, usually located near your odometer display. You'll be using this button to navigate and confirm the reset. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Speaking of bringing things to life, how about upgrading your home audio? The Echo Dot smart speaker can fill your space with music or help you manage your day with just your voice. Find the link for the Echo Dot and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, with the key in the on position, press and hold the trip reset button until trip is displayed on your screen. While continuing to hold the button, turn your key back to the off position. Then, immediately turn the key back to the on position, still holding the trip reset button. Keep holding it until the odometer flashes 0 and the maintenance light disappears. Release the button, and you're all set. If your Corolla has a color multi-information display, the steps are slightly different. Turn your key to the on position without starting the engine, or press the push button start twice without pressing the brake. Then, use the controls to navigate to the settings menu, often represented by a cog icon. From there, select Scheduled Maintenance and confirm your choice by pressing OK. If the light persists, try repeating the steps.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.